Hi guys, welcome to Hardest Info. Today I have NUBIA 3D Pad and I want to show you how to fix the problem when you have a connect with internet but your install stuck on padding on your Google Play Store on this device. If you get this same notification, to fix it we must press understood, go back to the main menu of our device and tap on Settings application, where we scroll down to the system selection and date and time. As you can see, our first option, set time automatically, is off. To fix our problem we need to turn on it, and that's all. We can go back now to Google Chrome, to Google Play Store and try install something again, and it is working right now. We can do it. Thanks for watching, bye!